When it comes to trading, your broker looks like it is just a dying breed. The banks now, especially in the UK and in the US, are obviously debanking you if you want to get involved in crypto or any type of trading activity. So, what do you need to do? Now, there is a feeling and there's a myth that prop firms are not good for traders, that prop firms are just there to take your money and they're too hard to pass. But what people do not understand and what they miss is you can get your hands on $100,000 for as little as $500 with certain prop firms. Now, to me, that sounds like a great deal. But at the end of the day, the rules are very strict. They're very different if you was to just deposit your own cash because there's no set of rules. Now, if you've ever traded before or ever started trading, you will know that when you start depositing your own cash, by the blink of an eye, you probably lost all of your money. Now, prop firms have strict rules, and rightly so. Some people look at these rules as you're never going to pass. It's always against the trader. It's against us. It's against us. But these rules are what are going to make you a very profitable trader. Because if you want to be a profitable trader, you're going to need rules anyway. You can't just go in there like the wild west. Now, when people see the title of this, how you can change $500 into $100,000, they'll be thinking about some crazy frog coin or some dog coin. That's all BS nonsense, and that is pure gambling. But if you want to learn the skill and have a career as trading, now is the time, and you've probably never had a better time to get hands-on capital. Now, in the Forex industry, we know that this has been around for a while now. But as for crypto traders, this is a new opportunity. You've got the likes of Hydra, you've got the likes of many others. But for me, Crypto Fund Trader is the platform that I've been banging on about. It's got great views on the channel, so it shows that you are very interested in Crypto Fund Trader. There is a tutorial, and I'll put that up there so you can go and check that out of my thoughts in that. But Crypto Fund Trader is the one that's kind of taken everybody by storm when it comes to crypto trading. On that assets, on that platform, should I say, you can trade many other assets. You can do your Forex on there, you can do your stocks, you can do oil, natural gas, which is absolutely excellent. But away from the platform at the moment, and let's think about the benefits of you being involved in a prop firm. So let's get rid of all the myths about it's built for us to fail. Anything worth doing and anything hard to achieve, what could give you an opportunity to earn money that you've never been able to earn before, definitely not in any normal 9-to-5 career, is going to be hard. But you see, the strategies in trading are quite simple. It's the mindset that needs rewiring. I'll do many other videos in the future about the mindset, because for me, Stoicism is what has changed my mindset in life and has allowed me to become a successful trader. But let's go back to, I'm going to look at why prop firms are a massive advantage for you as a trader. Say, for example, you have $10,000. And I know this story because this is what I started with, and it quickly went to $6,000 before I'd even woke up the next morning. But say you've got $10,000 and you want to trade. Now, to get 10% of that, that is $1,000. $1,000, okay? Fair enough. But most people don't go into trading to earn $1,000. They want to get a lot more money. So let's say you have your $10,000 and you get 10% and you earn $1,000. Well done, because you're in the 1 to 5% or whatever it may be of successful traders. But what if you was to spend $500 of that $10,000 on a challenge that could obtain you $100,000? Now, 10% of your $100,000 is $10,000. So by the price of $500, you could potentially 10x your potential earnings if you was risking $10,000 of your own money. Now, you can go all the way up to $1 million challenges from around about $6,500 to $7,000 or whatever it may be. However, you need to do the maths. Now, the chances are you're more than likely going to fail these challenges at the beginning. Even the best traders, because the platforms are different. You need to get used to their rules. They have rules. Some are overnight, some are not. There's no time limits now on most of these. Some you can't hedge, so you can't go short and you can't go long. So you may make a mistake. I've made many mistakes on these prop firms and lost my accounts because of those mistakes. But the fact of the matter is, even if you're risking $500 and you risk $500 10 times and you failed 9 and passed on your 10th, which means you would only have parted ways with $5,000 if it were to take you that many times. And the education is priceless that you will learn along the way. You would be a very good trader if it took you that long and you was that persistent to get there. However, I highly doubt it's going to take you that long. But if you was to go straight in like most people do and try and get the new meme coin and try and get the new bonk or the new Pepe and the new frog, and they're chasing and they want to take that $10,000 and they want to trade it on Bybit with leverage into $100,000, that, my friends, is gambling. And you will lose that money very, very quickly. So again, like I've said, there's many prop firms out there. I would recommend Crypto Fund Trader. Link in below. Go and check all that out. There is a tutorial, and like I said, I'll put a link in this video for you to go and check that out. But now that we're going into 2024, take the time to understand, do you really want to be a trader, or do you want to get rich quick? If you want to get rich quick, then you can jump from channel to channel and try and catch the latest meme coin, etc. But you're probably going to lose a lot more money than you could imagine along the way, unless you get that little bit of luck. And then you'll probably lose the money later on. Whereas when it comes to trading, it's a career. Most people, and you'll hear this myth, trading is a scam, trading's for this, it's because they did not know what they was doing. They tried to gamble. They didn't take the time to learn this strategy, which takes a long time, mentally, physically. You need to put a lot of commitment in, and then they blame the platform, or they blame etc. It's down to the individual. All of you watching this video can be very successful traders, earning as much money as you wish if you are willing to take the time and sacrifice and not chase the new meme coin, etc., things like that. So as always, I really do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit subscribe, take advantage of all the resources, and I'll see you in the next one.